Okay, we're gonna do a quick visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So starting with the fender here, you do have a ding right there, as you can see. And then we do have some speckles here in the paint. That emblem looks good. The rest of that fender looks nice. Here at the wheel, I don't see any curb rash. A couple little imperfections here and there. You do have a scratch right there and a little scuff. The emblem looks nice. Got some minor cracking on that seal around the antenna. The antenna itself looks good. Here on the A-pillar, the paint looks nice. Chrome looks good. You have some imperfections on the chrome here. A couple little imperfections on that chrome. Now looking at the door, the upper side looks good. That bottom side looks nice, and this chrome is clean. Here on the door edge, I don't feel any chips there. That handle looks good. We do have a crack right here. Those vents look good. I see a little scuff here. Little imperfection in the paint there. Just a little dimple. The rest of that quarter panel looks good. That wheel looks nice. I don't see any curb rash. Then looking at the front, starting with the hood. Looks like a small touch-up spot there. Little scuff here, all very minor stuff. Some tiny little marks there. It's all very, very small, minor imperfections, if any. The rest of this hood looks good. That headlight's clean. Looking at the grille, all of this looks good. That headlight looks nice. And then looking underneath it, I'm gonna try to get under here the best I can. Looks awesome though. Looking at the engine bay, it looks awesome. Very clean in here. And then the underside of the hood looks awesome. Absolutely gorgeous. And then looking at the left side here on the fender, have a couple imperfections right there in the paint. That emblem looks good. Checking out the wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looks nice and clean. small scuff right there. Wiper blades look good. Checking out the chrome A-pillar. Paint looks nice. Chrome looks good. That roof looks nice. Overall, that chrome is clean. The handle looks awesome. I don't feel any chips on that door edge. That lower side looks good. I don't see any cracks up here like on the other side. See a small surface scuff. And that wheel looks amazing. This side looks awesome. And then looking back here, starting with the top side of the deck lid. That all looks good. Very minor scuffs from just like everyday washing. This is a little scuff in the paint. It barely catches my nail. Taillight looks good. That backside looks really nice. Trying to get here on the underside. I don't see any damage. I'm gonna get way under here and try to look under. I mean, that looks awesome. This thing is super, super clean under here. And then looking in the trunk, you got this little liner. It's not perfect by any means. It does need some adjusting, maybe some glue to keep it locked down, but all of this looks gorgeous. They did a phenomenal job in here. It all looks clean. All the detail looks really nice. So then the jack has a custom cover that looks similar to the liner. And then you do have a car cover, and it also comes with a spare tire. And so we will photograph that. And then here is the spare tire. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it looks amazing. They did a phenomenal job on this. Looking at the handle, secured nice and tight. Window rolls down amazing. That upper trim looks good. Very little wear right there on the edge. The rest of it looks perfect. Of course, you got some minor scuffs on the kick plate. Overall, looks amazing. That door jamb looks good. These seats look awesome. Steering wheel looks amazing. All of this looks absolutely perfect. There's really not much to pick apart on the interior. Carpets look fantastic. Pedals look good. Okay, looking at the right door panel, you do have a little bit of wear on the edge right here. This handle itself looks good. It's nice and solid. This chrome trim right here at the very edge, you can see it's flaking off. The rest of that panel, though, looks amazing. Here at the kick plate, see a couple of scuffs here. Scratching the paint right there. And then you have a scratch in the paint here. The seat bolsters look good. These are Pro Car seats and they look amazing. Those floor mats look good. Then checking out the dash. Opens up really nice. You got the carbon overlay here on the vents. This thing is super clean. The dash up here looks amazing. Headliner looks awesome. Checking out the seats back here. They look brand new. I don't see any flaws. This side looks amazing.